You know, we all have supernatural powers. We all have spiritual sense. The question is, how do you activate it? How do you find it? I've spent my life as a mystical seeker looking for the answers. And I was fortunate to meet people when I was very young, in my early 20s, that put me on the path and showed me some things that led me to many, many interesting conclusions and abilities that I've relied on over the course of my life. And I want to share with you 2 chapters from my book, Secrets of a Metaphysical Flight Attendant. It's a spiritual memoir that explains how I got on the path and some of the things that have happened to me along the way that were very, very transformative, healing, and helpful. I've learned that when we know how to use our minds in a special way and go within to that alpha level of consciousness, you can call it the Christ or the Buddha consciousness, whatever you want to call it, it's an altered state, but you need to go there in order to shift your reality from taking in what's in the 3-dimensional world to creating within your inner sanctuary what you desire. Maybe it's perfect health. Maybe it's more abundance. Maybe it's a better relationship. Maybe it's a move. I don't know what it is you want, but I do know that once you learn how to go within and use some techniques that all the great mystics have tried to explain to us, but you have to have practical experience in order to deliver the message. I've proven to myself that we are not living in a physical universe. We're living in a mental universe. And when you learn how to use your mind to direct your imagination and dwell on what you do want and forget about what you don't want, amazing things start to happen. So check it out. I hope you'll take advantage of the 2 free chapters of my book and the free meditation.